Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shackeria. Thank you so much for joining me today. So if you want to see how I got this really fun, just spur of the moment makeup look using the Itsmyrayeraye and BH Cosmetics makeup collaboration palette, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you liked or enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Enjoy! Alright, so I'm going into the color Spice, and I'm putting that into my crease as my transition color. So I'm just going back and forth on the blending brush and just really blending that color into my crease and just really buffing it out. I want to create like this soft transition, but I also don't want to lose that color when I put in another color. Buffing it just a little bit higher on my crease. Because I have hooded eyes, I just kind of have to go a little bit higher when I do my transition colors, or any colors at least. And I really want this color to not get lost, so I'm just blending it higher, a little bit higher. And now I'm going to go back into the color Spice, and I'm just going to pick up some more, and I'm going to concentrate on the outer part of my eye. I'm going to put a good amount on the outer part of my eye and just kind of deepen it just a little bit. I'm not going to blend it upwards too much, but I'm going to just keep it in the crease area. I want a majority of the product to just be there. And I'm kind of going in a circular motion just so I can keep that color just concentrated on the outer V and in the crease. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the color Sunset on a crease brush, and I'm just going to put that into my crease just to deepen it a little bit more. And now I'm going back on the blending brush, and I'm going to go into the color Spice, and I'm just going to kind of bring that color back in because we kind of lost it with the red a little bit, and we're just going to blend that above the sunset color. Blend that in. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the color Pancake, and I'm going on this flat fluffy brush, and I'm going to place that all over my lid. Alright, and once that's on, I'm going to go into my crease brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend out the edges just a little bit, just so they blend into one another and there isn't a harsh line. Alright, so I want the inner corner to just be a little bit more lighter, so I'm going to go into the color Nudist, and I'm just going to pop that on the inner part of the look, just right here. Just kind of want it to be just a little lighter than the rest. I think instead of going back into Pancake now, I'm going to go into the color Mousse instead, and just to see if that brings it out a little bit more, because you kind of lost the color a little bit. So I'm just going to go in with the color Mousse and just pop that in the middle of my lid. See if I like that better. And I do like that better, so I'm just gonna pop that in the middle, just like that. And then we're gonna have to do a little bit of work to kind of just finesse it a little bit, blend it into the color Mousse, so it's not just sitting there. You want all the colors to blending. You want all the colors to blend in really nice together, can be a little bit hard, but so now you're just going to go back and forth with making sure you have the right amount of product where you want it, and that all the colors are transitioning well into one another. So I'm just going to be using this EM Cosmetics liquid eyeliner, and I'm not going to do a wing. I'm just going to go across my lid, well, my lid, just along my lash line. So now I'm just going to do my bottom lash line. So first I'm going to go into the color Spice on this small crease brush, and I'm just going to work that along my bottom lash line. And I'm kind of going a little bit messy with this. Alright, and then I'm just going to wipe off the same brush, and I'm going to go into the color Sunset, and I'm going to work that on just the outer V of the lower lash line. And we're going to put on some mascara. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Miss Magna Mascara. And I love this mascara because it does a good job at separating your lashes and makes them look almost very nice and wispy. See how like nice and open my eyes look? I'm also going to put some on my bottom lashes, just a bit. Now I'm going to go into finishing the rest of my face, and in this palette there also has colors you can use to bronze and highlight your face just down here. So I'm going to go into the color Mocha, and maybe a little bit of Brownie Bite, just a tiny bit of Brownie Bite because it's really dark, and I'm going to use that to bronze / contour up my face. Now that we are done, we are going to highlight our face, and there are also 3 options for highlighting. You have Moonlight, Radiant, and French Toast. I have never used Moonlight, but I have used Radiant and French Toast, and between both of those, I think I like Radiant better. Especially for a look like this, I feel like it would be more suitable. So I'm going to use Radiant to highlight, and I'm using this tapered brush. And if you want to learn how I highlight, or everything you want to know about how I highlight, where I highlight, all that fun stuff, I did a super long video on how I highlight my face and all of that stuff. So I'll leave the link to that in the description, or I'll leave it in the card somewhere. If you have any questions. So I'm just going to quickly just run through the highlight and highlight my face. Alright, so I think I'm going to put a little bit of Moonlight highlight just in my inner corner, just to see what that looks like. And I'm just going to go in on a small brush, and I've spritzed it a little bit. And I'm just going to go into the color Moonlight and just see what that looks like on my inner corner. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly throw on some blush because I don't have any blush on right now. And I'm just using my good old e.l.f. blush palette to just mix these 2 colors together. Give a little flush of color, nothing too overpowering since the eyes are really almost, red. Alright, and last but not least, our lips. I'm not too sure what kind of lips I want with this look. I was eyeballing the MAC lipstick in the color Verve, or the other matte lipstick in the color Retro. I think Retro would probably go a little bit more with the look, probably. I don't know if that's going to be too red. So I think I'm going to go with the color Retro, yes. I'm going to use this Morphe lip line called Hoba. But a little part of me wants to nude it up a little bit, just because in the middle of my lid it's kind of, you know, a little bit lighter and it's a little bit nude. But I don't know if I should just leave it or I don't know. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. So I have her lippy stick, her ColourPop collab. So I'm just gonna place a little bit of that in the middle because it's kind of like a nude on me. And I'm just gonna see what it looks like. Just see what it looks like. Okay, I like that. It looks good. It looks so pretty. I love it. All right, I'm gonna spritz my face with the NYX Matte Finish spray. Alright, so that is the finished look. I love the way that it came out. I wasn't really planning, you know, it to come out like this, but then again, I didn't really go into this makeup look planning anything, but I love the way that it came out. It looks really nice, really pretty, soft, but kind of dramatic at the same time. I think this look is kind of wearable. It just looks really nice and it looks really pretty, and I'm actually really proud of myself. So I'm just gonna go and take a million and one photos. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I post all my best shots on there, okay? I post all my best photos on my Instagram, so make sure you are following me. There's always a link in my description box to all my socials, and I always include them in the video, so go check me out on that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye! BH Cosmetics and Itsmyrayeraye. It's upside down. And BH Cosmetics collaboration. Collaboration? Yes. With different videos. No. To do a makeup tutorial. Nope. Brush. I can never ever find it.